Aecon is a North American construction and infrastructure development company with global expertise, transforming vision into reality. Today, we proudly deliver some of the most complex infrastructure projects in the world. Harnessing the strengths of Aecon's capabilities across its diverse operations, Aecon is strategically focused on delivering projects linked to the energy transition, decarbonization, and sustainability. Aecon is at the forefront of industrial construction and innovation. We're committed to crafting sustainable industrial solutions that drive progress across diverse sectors. From supporting the energy transition to industrial manufacturing, power and renewables, oil and gas and water treatment, to mining, mineral processing, and chemical and petrochemical industries, our integrated approach ensures that every project we undertake contributes to a cleaner, more efficient, and sustainable future. Each sector we serve is interconnected, working together to create a resilient industrial ecosystem that benefits the communities in which we live and work. Our mining projects extract essential metals and minerals that support food production and the energy transition, directly enhancing the well-being of local communities. Our water treatment solutions ensure that communities have access to clean water and that industrial processed water is treated sustainably. We are committed to making the electrical grid more sustainable by decarbonizing and adding capacity, ensuring reliable and clean energy for homes and businesses. We help provide the energy needed today and tomorrow through our oil and gas projects, supporting community growth and development, and our chemical and petrochemical projects produce essential materials that improve everyday life, from healthcare to household products. With self-perform capabilities across our diverse business offering and strategic fabrication network, our industrial experience spans decades. Aecon provides vertically integrated industrial solutions to key clients with an unwavering commitment to safety, schedule, cost performance, operational excellence, and reliability. We're also building smarter. Leveraging continuous improvement, we draw on the latest technology to shape the future of construction and find innovative solutions to today's most formidable infrastructure challenges. By integrating innovative technologies and sustainable practices, we're not only playing a key role in meeting the needs of society today, we're building what matters to enable future generations to thrive. Our fabrication and modularized construction specialists provide industry-leading modular solutions to our partners and clients, an approach that reduces on-site labor hours, reduces risk, and provides predictability to the project delivery program. We are focused on safety, schedule, cost performance, and operational excellence, backed by a long-standing quality management program, in-depth project management experience, and exacting standards. With an agile One Aecon culture and a skilled workforce that is guided by our core values, safety always, integrity, accountability, and inclusion, our people are at the heart of everything we do. We are committed to building a diverse and talented workforce, providing an equitable and inclusive workplace that values the contributions of all employees. Through experience working under traditional and collaborative contracting models, such as integrated project delivery and alliance partnerships, we have demonstrated capabilities in early-stage project development and pre-planning, development and validation phases, and construction execution using a progressive mindset. Our experience and established relationships proudly extend to local communities, providing local benefits through our work, including building capacity in local supply chains, creating jobs, and building meaningful, mutually beneficial relationships with Indigenous communities. Moving forward, Aecon is well-positioned to harness the collective strengths of all of its operating sectors to advance North America's most formidable industrial projects. Aecon is building world-class industrial developments. We're delivering industrial infrastructure that connects communities, and we're proud to be a trusted partner for valued clients in advancing the energy transition.